This is a quick demonstration of how to install Autek ikey820 update after you pay $250. First of all, you're gonna have your Autek programmer here connected via USB cable here to your laptop. Okay, I think I'm running Windows 7, I believe. And then you're gonna go to whatever link that you can download. So what I have here, I went to autektools.com driver UI setup HTML. Okay, and then you're gonna be downloading Autek ikey820 here, version 1.5 to your PC, maybe one of your folders, and download it and extract it or unzip it as you can. And then you're gonna go ahead and click on this application here, and this screen will show up with yours. I'm hiding my serial number here. Okay, this should be your Autek programmer serial number in the back of your programmer. And then down here, please enter 18-digit code. You're going to be entering your 18-digit code that you bought from your key supplier. Make sure you put them in correctly, no space between the numbers, okay? And then once you're done, you're going to come here and click, actually authorize here, right here, authorize. Do not click update, okay? I did that earlier, and what happened was that my Toyota system key type 3 and 4 basically has been disabled. Basically, when I go there, it asks me to buy Toyota license. So you want to make sure don't click on update, but click on authorize here, okay, down right here. And it might take you some time to complete. So I'm going ahead and put mine in, okay? Enter my code here. I'm gonna go ahead and click authorize right here, okay? So right now it's downloading authorized. So it's still downloading after a few minutes. So let's give it maybe 20 minutes and come back and show you if there's any error, okay? And make sure, you know, before this there's a message window pop up that asks you to ensure that you have internet access, and then you connected your Autek to the laptop and all of that stuff before you click authorize. So just make sure you're connected to the internet at all time. After 20 minutes or so, it's done, and I got this message status pop up. It says authorized successful for key programming Ford, Toyota, Lexus, Chrysler. Okay, so that's what I want, Toyota. Go ahead and click OK. So now I'm gonna be checking my Autek here to see is everything good. I'm gonna go to Toyota. Sorry about the bright light. By system, and then we'll go to key, and then if I go to type 3 or type 4 here, before it gave me the warning to buy license, but now let's see if it's still giving me that warning. Hey, it's not. So now it's authorized the Toyota software to do all key lost with the chip H and, well, H chip and G chip. So this one is H, going down, check the H1, click OK. Yeah, it doesn't give me any more of those need to buy a Toyota license from a dealer and things like that. So it's all good. Thank you for watching. Have any question, post it down there. I know it can be complicated or it can be confusing if you hit the wrong button. Make sure you hit the authorize button, not the update or not the activate. So make sure you click on authorize here, okay? Bye for now.